Hi, I'm Sandeep Dhar, and I always believe in developing something that would bring latest technology to everyone in the form of an application which is simple, user friendly, and usable by everyone even without knowing the underlying technology. In this context, recently I have developed a desktop application for image style transfer. This app transfers the artistic style of one image to another image. It uses a pre-trained convolutional neural network called VGG19 of Google. This VGG19 model is trained with famous ImageNet dataset, and here we are using it as a starting point for our image style transfer. Now I will give you a short demo of this app. So this is how my image style transfer app looks like. As you can see, as soon as we launch this app, we see this information. This is image style transfer app version 1.0.0 developed by me, Sandeep Dhar, in June 2021. It transfers artistic style of one image to another image. So we just click OK to proceed. So here we have to specify the path of the content image. So in my case, this is the content image location. So I just copy and paste it. The name of the content image is Rabindranath-Tagore.jpg. So we'll just click on display content image to display it. As you can see, it's an image of Rabindranath Tagore, a famous poet, writer, composer, social reformer, painter, and also Nobel Prize winner in literature. And here we'll specify the path of the style image. In fact, the location is same, only the image name will be different. So it's an image of Mona Lisa, the famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci, as you know. So we'll just display the style image. Here we have to specify the content weight and style weight. These are two important parameters, like how much style you want to transfer from your style image to the content image. So here I'll specify 1, here I'll specify 10. So that means we want more style to be transferred to the content image from the style image. So our goal is to transfer the artistic style from Mona Lisa image, which is a style image here, to the content image, which is Rabindranath Tagore image. As you can see, the Rabindranath Tagore image, there is not much on the background, it's just blue. And here some artistic style is there. So after specifying the parameters, content weight and style weight, all you have to do is to click on the transfer style. Then it will transfer the artistic style from Mona Lisa image to Rabindranath Tagore image. So it will take some time. On my laptop it takes around 6 to 7 minutes, and this is pretty memory consuming, this image style transfer. So after it is finished, it will show one pop-up message saying that artistic style has been successfully transferred from style image to content image, and then we'll display the new image by clicking on this button, display new image. Since style transfer is going on, I'll just pause the video and we'll be back again when style transfer will be completed. Just now style has been successfully transferred from style image to content image. As you can see, there is one pop-up message, style is successfully transferred, please display the new image. So we'll just click OK, and then we'll just click on display new image. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, it has successfully transferred the artistic style from Mona Lisa image to Rabindranath Tagore image. At the same time, it has made sure that main content is preserved. Only the artistic style has been transferred from this style image, that is Mona Lisa image, to Rabindranath Tagore image. And as you can see, it is looking very nice. It's even this Rabindranath Tagore's image has become very artistic now. With the background, if you look at the background or the way he looks, it has changed. Similarly, you can try with several other images, content image and style images, and you can transfer style from any image to another image. I have tested it with several images and got very good results. And please note that, so it is able to handle content and style images of any size. If we provide any content and style image of any size, the code will resize the images internally to 192 by 224 pixels, so that it will be a manageable size on any laptop or desktop having 8 GB RAM or so. So if you have any queries, suggestions or feedback about this nice app, or if you are interested to try it on your end, please write me at sandeepdhar262@gmail.com. I'll be very happy to interact with you. And if you like my app and also the demo, please don't forget to give like. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.